I've been using the Forex.com for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Forex.com. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Forex.com. This platform is known for offering a wide range of instruments, including currency pairs, indices, and CFDs on commodities. One of its most attractive aspects is its access to high leverage of up to 1:400. This makes it ideal for experienced traders who want to amplify their positions. However, U.S. clients should note that cryptocurrency CFDs are unavailable due to regulatory constraints, which may be a drawback for those seeking crypto exposure. Another major benefit is the availability of MetaTrader 4 and 5, alongside Forex.com's proprietary platforms. Moreover, these platforms come equipped with advanced turning tools and automated trading capabilities. On top of that, the web and mobile versions offer ease of use, making it convenient for those who prefer trading on the go. However, on the downside, Forex.com's fee structure varies by account type. For instance, standard accounts come with spreads starting around 1.0 pips, while commission-based accounts offer tighter spreads, potentially as low as 0.0 pips, but with a $7 commission per $100,000 traded. These pricing models provide flexibility but can lead to higher costs for smaller trades. Overall, Forex.com stands out for its strong regulatory framework, comprehensive platform offerings, and robust educational resources. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.